This is Sbl Stobal Cough syrup. It is indicated in coughs associated with bronchitis, laryngitis, tracheitis, and whooping cough. It is effective in all types of cough, dry and wet cough, irritation in the throat, cough associated with any of the disease such as bronchitis. It is highly efficacious remedy for acute catarrhal conditions of the respiratory tract. It acts on dry coughs aggravated by inspiring cold air, which causes stringy and tough expectoration. It reduces spasmodic irritation of the chest. It is a homeopathic cough medicine in dry and wet cough, removes phlegm and relieves difficulty in swelling. Adults and children 1 tablespoon of SBL's total cough syrup 3 to 5 times a day you have to take. Thank you.